In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to a professional Instagram account. If you've been thinking about unlocking extra tools like insights, contact buttons, and clearer profile categories, this quick walkthrough will help you make the switch with confidence. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. If you don't see the latest options, it's a good idea to make sure your app is updated, since menu labels can change slightly over time. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your app version, you'll either see Account or something like Account Type and Tools. Both paths take you to the same place, so don't worry if the wording looks a little different on your device. Now look for the option that says Switch to Professional Account or Switch Account Type. Tap that. If you're already on a professional plan, the app may show you different choices, but if you're switching for the first time, you'll be guided into the setup flow. You'll be asked to choose your account type. Pick creator if you're an influencer, artist, public figure, or anyone whose personal brand is front and center. Creator accounts often offer flexible profile labels and messaging controls suited to individuals. Choose business if you're representing a brand, retailer, service provider, or local business. Business accounts emphasize tools that help you manage customer interactions and marketing. You can change this later if your needs evolve, so don't stress about getting it perfect on the first try. Instagram will then prompt you to select a category such as personal blog, restaurant, or another label that best describes what you do. This helps visitors quickly understand your profile. You'll also be able to decide whether to display that category publicly on your profile. Next, add your contact details. You can provide an email address, phone number, or physical address so people can reach you more easily. If you prefer to keep some information private, you can choose not to display it on your profile and still keep it on file for business features. Take a moment to double check everything. Accurate contact info helps people connect with you and can improve credibility. Most fields are editable later, so you can update them as your needs change. Once you finish the prompts, you're all set. Your account is now professional, and you'll notice new features like profile category labels and access to insights in your menu. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.